Today's March 22nd, 2022. Today we're going to call for a lady. I guess she's got a problem with a kitchen sink faucet and an outside faucet that's leaking. She wants fixed, so we'll go over there and see what we can do for this lady. What do you think, Molly? Another damsel in distress? Here we go help her out. Go help her out. What do you think? Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Got a kind of a mind of its own, huh? Just moves by itself. Let's see if we can tighten it up. Yeah, just kind of floating in the wind there, huh? Yeah. Alright, look at that. Had a guy, one of these sinks fall off on him.
Really?
Yeah, the whole thing dropped down.
Oh.
Yeah. Been a couple of weeks now, I guess. Told him you gotta get the insurance company involved. They flooded the whole floor, buckled all the hardwood flooring.
Ooh.
Yeah, really bad. Really terrible. Retired doctor, you know?
Yeah.
Guess you can't work forever.
I guess not, huh? Here's something. Should I put this in here?
Yeah, wouldn't hurt.
I got another one over here.
Oh, okay.
Put on the other side in case.
Yeah, we should be able to tighten that up in there. Let me see if I can shut the water off underneath. You said it wouldn't shut off?
Yeah, I tried. I think it's stuck.
Is it stuck?
I think so.
What about the boss man? He couldn't do it?
He didn't want to break it either.
No?
No.
Yeah, it's coming off easy.
You got it?
Of course.
Oh man, you're good. I didn't want to break it.
No, I just gotta give it a little how you doing. Can't be scared of it. We just gotta get this off so I can tighten it if I can. There's gotta be some way of tightening that thing.
Yeah, I got the thing here. I don't know.
What, the instructions?
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing should back off of there. And then there's 3 screws on there. Thing should. Okay, yeah, that should back off.
Oh, it screws on. Okay.
It screws on. And then there's 3 little screws, but that shouldn't affect that. Those are tight. There's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. I mean, we could get another cartridge if you had, but this thing seemed a little sloppy. Maybe now that I tightened it, it might be better.
What, that cartridge?
You know what's probably happening is the handle's kind of heavy.
Yeah.
And it might be just a little bit too much for. Is it always done that, or just recently?
No, just recently. Yeah. I mean, when it was first put in, it was fine.
Yeah, it's just probably getting a little loose. There's no other packing that I could tighten on there or anything like that, you know.
Yeah.
There's nothing I could tighten to make that tighter. I tightened up the 3 screws that hold it in place. We could get another cartridge for that and replace it. You got the parts right there, right? The breakdown.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what kind of faucet it is, so this would be the part that we would have to get right here, number 5.
Yeah. 5. Cartridge into manifold.
Yeah, you know what kind of faucet it is, so let's try it again. So we're tight as we can go. That just screws back in place like that. We'll put the handle back on and see. It is pretty heavy. The handle is pretty heavy.
Yeah.
You feel it? You want to feel it?
Yeah, yeah.
So that's probably why it's so sloppy, because it's so heavy, you know? Let's try it. What do you got to lose?
We'll see what happens.
It's not like it's dripping out the faucet part, right?
It's what?
It's not dripping out the faucet part. Yeah, she's still a little loosey-goosey there. You know, the only way to fix that is get another cartridge. And the faucet's still good. I mean, I don't see why you...
Right.
There's nothing I can do to fix that.
Okay.
Because that's internal.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might be okay. Oh, is the hot up front?
The hot's in front because...
The hot's in the front, huh?
Yeah, because I didn't want the handle on the left side. They were going to put it on the left side to make the coal in front, but...
Yeah, you could just switch it down below if you want.
Yeah.
The supplies.
Oh, yeah.
Whatever you wanted, it could be switched. You know?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's that.
Okay.
So, if you're still not happy with it the way it is that what you mean? It's just kind of like when you shut it, it kind of like lifts off a little bit. Is that what you're complaining about?
Well, yeah. If it'll flop back sometimes.
It doesn't seem as bad anymore. Why don't you check it now and see? Does it seem better? Well, you see what I did in there? I tightened up the 3 screws, but that's not tightening up the center part. The center part is all within inside that cartridge. There's no way of tightening that.
You mean the...
I think it's just a bad design.
Really?
I think a brand new cartridge would be tighter, and it would probably be okay. How old's the faucet? 2 years?
About 2 years old.
Yeah, 2 years. What kind is it? Is it a Moen?
No, it's American Standard.
Yeah, if it was Moen, they'd give you free parts.
Yeah.
So it's inside the pack, and there's no way of tightening that. They must have went through a freeze or something. We're gonna get a new faucet for them. Not really a big plate there. Put them on the faucet, that's all. I was able to just tighten that packing. There's a packing nut there, and that seemed to work. So that's all I needed. I just had to tighten this packing nut up. I don't need to change the faucet. Oh, that's better.